Hey there! Curious about who's nearby to team up with you on Mobile Legends Bang Bang? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll walk you through adding your nearby pals on Mobile Legends. Let's dive in. First things first, let's ensure your iPhone's location services are turned on. To do this, head over to your settings. Now, just scroll down until you spot Privacy and Security, then give it a tap. Next, tap on Location Services and toggle it on. After that, exit Settings and fire up Mobile Legends. Next up, tap on this arrow to open up the Friends menu. Here, you will find your pals from the game, as well as those from Facebook and more. Now, to uncover nearby friends, tap on this icon. It will summon the Social menu. After that, switch over to the Nearby tab and hit the Refresh button. Now, simply tap on either Allow Once or Allow While Using app to grant Mobile Legends access to your location. And there you go! Behold a list of friends chilling close to your current location. Feel free to give them a follow right from this list. And that's a wrap, folks! That's how you scout for nearby pals on Mobile Legends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Catch you in the next one.